There are many products available to choose stainless steel frying pans, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stainless steel frying pans from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Le Creuset Stainless Steel Fry Pan. Le Creuset is a brand that's typically synonymous with good quality, and their stainless steel fry pan is no exception. Throw whatever vegetables or meats you have in this skillet, it can handle it. It passed all our tests with flying colors. It's very well balanced in terms of weight, not bulky, and easy to maneuver for just about anyone. We found the rice very easy to flip, thanks to the flared sides of the cookware. In our salmon test, the fish released evenly from the pan without much coaxing and seared very well. The skillet produced a very even crisp with a nice golden brown finish. This skillet was easy to use while sautéing mushrooms as well. It took just over 6 minutes to cook the water out of them. And those angled sides came in handy again for flipping. According to the manufacturer, this skillet is dishwasher safe. Number 2. Tramontina Stainless Steel Tri-Ply 10-inch Fry Pan. While this model was the most wallet-friendly of the bunch, it still performed impressively well. The handle is rounded, comfortable, and easy to lift and hold. The skillet is fairly balanced, but the pan's weight makes it a bit more challenging to use. Home cooks with limited mobility may want to opt for a lighter model. We liked that the sides of this skillet slope very slightly outwards and have flared edges, which made it very easy to flip the test food. In our salmon test, the fish got a great sear on both sides. The skin was golden brown and crispy on the top and bottom but not burnt. The fish released easily when flipping. This skillet was also easy to use for sautéing mushrooms, and the handle felt especially secure. This model is dishwasher safe, though hand washing and drying are recommended to preserve the finish. We found it fairly easy to clean with detergent, barkeeper's friend, and steel wool. Number 3. Misen Stainless Skillet. The actual pan is very heavy on the skillet. The handle itself is comfortable, and the length helps to keep your hand away from the heat, and it remains cool throughout cooking. If the heft of this skillet doesn't bother you, this model is a workhorse for searing. The salmon released very easily in our tests on both the initial flip and at the end without much effort. The skin came out extremely crispy, 95% crisp, and even across the board, and very evenly cooked as a whole. The mushrooms took just under 5 minutes to cook, and the angled sides of the skillet helped make the sautéing process a breeze. Cleanup was a cinch after letting this model soak in warm water and dish soap once the pan was fully cooled. There was a slight discoloration to the cooking surface, but, as we've noted, this is fairly common. Number 4. All-Clad D3 Stainless Fry Pan. This skillet feels exceptionally light in the hand, has a well-balanced weight, and is easy to move and maneuver. The handle has a notch underneath near the front of the handle to create distance between the index and middle fingers, and the ergonomic design strongly suggests where to hold the handle. With the skillet's light weight, more home cooks can succeed with the technique of flipping while sautéing. However, it's not easy to pour from this pan, and we had some spillage while aiming for a container. The salmon skin beautifully crisped up along the edges and browned to a light golden hue around and into the middle. The surfaces were crispy. We'd be happy to eat any protein seared in this skillet. The full carton of mushrooms did not fit in an even layer, as the interior of the pan was smaller than 10 inches. This resulted in some uneven browning. We also found the handle got a bit hot while cooking the mushrooms. Number 5. Martha Stewart Stainless Steel Tri-Ply Fry Pan. Martha Stewart's 10-inch stainless steel pan has a good bit of heft in both the skillet and the handle, making it pretty well balanced. The sides have about a 140-degree angle to them, which gave way to one of the most natural flips of all pans that we tested, meaning you can push the food away and flip it back with ease. The edges are flared away from the cooking surface, but not so much as to spill when flipping. The pan as a whole is very easy to use and sauté with, though we did not get ideal results with searing the salmon skin. On the plus side, the pan has plenty of space to move food around. This was one of the easiest skillets to clean without much scrubbing, After letting hot water and dish soap sit in the pan for a few minutes after cooking, most things came off easily. A slight scrub was needed, where a tiny bit of oil residue baked in, but overall this was really easy to clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.